Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Leo and let's do some more Leetcode problems today. Today's problem is called maximum number of vowels in the substring of given length. We were given a string s and an integer k. We're going to return the maximum number of vowel letters in any substring of s with the length k. And vowel letters refers to a, e, I, o, u. Okay? So how do we approach this problem? We were given a string like this, okay? And we're going to compare it with the integer k to get the maximum number of vowel letters within this length k. So we have a fixed length window, okay? So maximum, we can start at k, okay? So let's take a look at this example. And since we're dealing with substrings, I would like to iterate each character from the left, okay? So now we have a window like this big with one character in it. The maximum number of vowel letters is 1, okay? And then we expand this window to 2 letters. We still got 1. And we expand it to 3, and we still got 1, okay? But now, the window size is the same as k, okay? So we can expand further, okay? We can do this. So now, if I want to move forward, I will have to move forward and subtract the leftmost character, okay? So in that case, we successfully moved this window to the right. Okay, now we can do the calculation. We have 1 here, and we do the same thing. We have 2 vowel letters here, and here we got 3. So that would be the maximum number of vowel letters within this k equals to 3 window. Okay, so yeah, this looks like a fixed size sliding window problem. Okay, let's take a look at another one here. Okay, so we have k equals to 2, and the same thing. The maximum should be 2. Okay, so wherever we go, the maximum number of vowel letters is 2. Okay, and for this one, it's the same thing. We have k equals to 3, so I think this one contains 2 letters, 2 vowel letters, and this one contains 2 vowel letters, and okay, so the final output would be 2, okay, because we can't take any more within this fixed size sliding window. Okay, as we said, we can start to solve this problem. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is to set up the window, sliding window, and we will compare, we will have a maximum count. Whenever our sliding window reaches to k, we're going to compare the current count with our maximum count so that we can get this updated each time. Okay, so we can still have a current count. Okay, yeah, so I think that would be enough. Okay, and oh, one more thing, let's do some comparison. The comparison can be done in O1 because I'm going to put them into a hash set, okay, so that we can compare them in O1 time. Okay, yeah, looks good. So let's start coding out. We have character, let's call it set, new hash set, and we can add a, e, I, o, u to it. Okay, oops, okay, I, O, and U. Okay, so now next we will set up the variables and the sliding window. Okay, so we have a left boundary of 0, and we have a current count equals to 0. We have the max count, equals to 0. Okay, and we will use a right pointer to expand our sliding window. Okay, so s dot length right, increment right. So the first thing is put the first character into our window. Okay, so if set contains as dot character at right, if it contains that, we're going to update our current count. Okay, and the right pointer goes on and on and on. Okay, and when it reaches to k, that will be a problem. Okay, so if right is larger than or equal to k, we have to shrink from the left. Okay, so in this case, we will do some updates. If the leftmost character is in our current count, we have to subtract that. Okay, so if set dot contains as that character at left, we will decrement our current count. Okay, and then we can increment the left pointer to maintain the size of the window. Okay, all right, so looks good. And after that, when do we update our max count? Okay, so if our current size of the window is exactly k, we update it. Okay, so if right minus left plus 1 equals to k, max count will equal to math.max, max count, and current count. Okay, so after that, we can return the max count. That should give us the right answer. Yeah, looks good at this time. So let's talk about the complexities here. Okay, so for time complexity, it would be O(n), because this is the sliding window. We're only iterating the string once. Okay, and for space, we have the fixed size sliding window, and we have the set, which contains only 5 characters, so it should be 1. Okay. All right, perfect. Thank you so much for watching. If you like the video, please like and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in our next video.